Alright, continuing along, I had to change the battery. Here's some nice big blueberry bushes right here. These are the ones with the berries that are almost black. And they have slightly smaller berries. See, there's one of the bushes right there is really big. Anyway, continuing along. Yeah, here's one right next to the trail. Yeah. One over here. Unless... Yeah. Wow. I think I found an outlet to the pond. Here's some standing water with, I guess, sphagnum moss in it and on it. Big blueberry bushes, ferns. Good stuff here. There's a lot of teaberry on the trail here. That's these. So we're continuing along, and the pond is to our left. There's a lot of nice pitch pines out here. It's funny, that one there, it's got a dead top, but the rest of it's healthy. There's a few pine flies, but they're not really bothering me. See, now right here in this sand, there's tons of that. Whatever it is. Tons. It's like the most I've ever seen in one place. Look at this, they're all over the place. And I have no idea what they are. They're really cool. I've always liked them. But nobody's been able to tell me what they are. See, the ground level here keeps going up and down. And in the lowest places, it's the wettest. But over there it must be pretty low. Man, I want to get into that pond. Wow, over 8 minutes already. Oh, here we go. Here's something I wanted to show you, if I don't get stung. I don't know if you can see that or hear it, but there's a wound, an old wound in that pitch pine there that the tree has tried to heal over, and the hornets or yellow jackets have moved in. There's hundreds of them flying in and out. So check out these trees here, huh? Fantastic. I still got a minute or two. Oh, I see. That's good. I'm only at 5. I was going to say, that would be impossible. See, here's a view of the pond. But still, what are we, about 60, 50 feet from it? You can see over it, and you can see the blueberry bushes in the middle, but you can't see the floor, so to speak. There's an awful lot of sweet pepper bush out here. See, like right here, all these white flower spikes. Look at the damage to that pitch pine there. Man, I'd love to get into that pond. Now, when I first walked over to it, to about that point right there behind us, I could hear something splashing in it. So, even though I couldn't see any standing water, I know there is some. See, now we're walking away from it. See, there's some more turkey beard there. See, it's over there. You can see the clearing. We're walking away from it back towards the sand road I walked in on. If I don't get myself turned around. Yeah, I remember how to do this, yeah. Okay. A short distance up ahead is the sand road I walked in on from my truck where I parked it, which is on another sand road. Yeah, a lot of stuff is changing colors for the fall already. See, here's some Pine Barrens heather.